And today we're gonna make peanut butter cookies that only takes 3 ingredients. First, you need 1 cup of sugar. Then you'll take 1 egg or 1/4 cup for if you're using an egg beater. And then you need 1 cup of peanut butter. Now you need to stir it until it's smooth. Okay, so you need to set your stove to 375, cook it to 6 to 8 minutes, and then you can add chocolate chips if you like to make it taste like Reese's. Use parchment paper when you put them on the pan, and I'm going to use the fork method. Put it at 375 for 6 to 8 minutes. If you want to add chocolate chips, just put in a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips.